What's up, homestead homies? It's Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. This homesteading life is working me to the bone. I'm not kidding, this stuff's working me to death. All right, so what I'm doing right now, as you can see, is I'm laying the planks on the deck in the back. We have to get the planks done. I have a couple more posts to put in, and I want to have this all set up so we can start working on this little area over here. It's going to be a 4-foot patio, our landing spot, where you're going to go out of the deck, turn, and then walk down the stairs. And then we'll know right where the stairs land. And the reason why that's important is because we're putting the root cellar right on this side of the house, and then above the root cellar is where the workshop's going to be, where we'll be hosting our learning center. So if you guys are interested in helping support the Learning Center project, then you can get one of our t-shirts. We're using all the funds for the t-shirt sales to go to the Learning Center project. And what the goal is with that is that once we get it up and everything's functional and we have a system, a plan in place, we're going to be hosting workshops here at the homestead for a select number of people, maybe once every several months, so you guys can come out, get some hands-on experience, and see how a total, almost like total self-sufficient homestead works, right? I mean, every building collects water. We have rainwater catchment to gravity-fed faucets. We have a gravity-fed outdoor shower. We're gonna put some more stuff inside of the workshop area, the learning center area, that is also going to be independent. We have a pond to fish out of. We grow our own food. I mean, that's the kind of stuff we're trying to teach you guys with our videos too. That's why we post videos, is so you guys can glean from this information and it helps you on your journey. So I'm going to get back to doing this. And yeah, did you guys like the opening? A lot of you guys were asking, you're like, what's up with the skeleton? Like, I don't even know how you guys could see that. It was in the outdoor kitchen when I did the flyover, I guess, for the tanks on the outdoor shower. In case you're new to our channel, there's the video right there of the outdoor shower build. And people were asking about that skeleton. Stacy's a teacher, and she uses that to teach the kids about their bones. She teaches them about the rib bones, the spleen, the back bones, the leg, thigh bones, knee bones, and knee bones. But anyway, she uses that as a teaching tool, and I was just amazed that you guys could see it. Now there's a couple of ways you guys can do the decking on your decks. You can either leave a little space in between, or you can do like I'm doing and butt them up really tight, because these are going to shrink. So I wanted to button them up really tight, and then that way when they shrink, it'll just create a little bit of a gap in there, and then I'll be happy with that. like I said, this homesteading life will work you to the bones. So I got all the posts on now, and I got some more decking down. But today is also the day when the chicks graduate into the $50 chicken coop. If you guys are new to our channel, I'll leave a link right there. We have the most watched how to build $50 chicken coop on all of YouTube. And today the little chicks that we got are about to graduate and go inside of there and be on grass for the first time. Before I show you that, I'm going to show you guys in the sheep house. This is kind of neat. We talked about it before about how Indian runners really don't go broody that much. And there I have a pair of broody Indian runners sitting on a nice nest. And it's so cute because the sheep just snuggle up right by them, but they totally respect their space and they don't crush them or bother them or anything else. And so they're going to hatch out some new little Indian runner duck babies. Let's see if we can get them fired up. Yeah, see, they're telling us, don't come by. So here they are. They've been hanging out in the barn. We got some with those fuzzy legs. We've never had those before. And so they're big enough now to go outside, and I'm going to transport them. I'll probably just carry this cage over there and then get them into their new home. All right. Oh no, not for you. You get out of there. Put a little broomstick down at the end of my $50 chicken coop so they could have a little place to roost. And I also put the board up there so they could get on that as well. And now we'll just get them and put them in. No, Maggie. Maggie's awful curious. No, no, Maggie. Oh, no. Look at their little fuzzy legs. And there they are, on grass for the first time. Already eating some. Of course, I'll give them their food, but at least they're made the transfer. And that is a wrap from the off-grid homestead. I did accomplish quite a bit on the deck. I got some more boards down, I got the posts in, everything's braced up. So the next step is building that platform over there, and then the railings, and then finish the stairs. And you know, that's the project to be done. As soon as we finish that project, we're gonna start looking at having the guy come out and dig the big hole for the root cellar. So you guys are gonna wanna stay tuned. If you have not hit that subscribe button and rang that bell, do it, do it, do it. Because we got that project right there is gonna be so full of nuggets, you're gonna have to get the 49ers on the videos. But just so you guys know, a lot of people watch these homesteading videos and they think it's so dreamy. A lot of people were leaving comments on the outdoor shower and they're like, oh, I'm still doing this and I'm doing that. Stacy and I basically took showers in 1 gallon jugs with 1 gallon jugs and 5 gallon buckets for 5, something years, 4 years, and then we put in the big system, the rain catchment system up at the barn, and then we started kind of using the hydrant. So we weren't necessarily using the 1-gallon jugs, but you know, we were bending down underneath there, getting wet, doing the shower. And 7 years of being on our homestead, we finally got the outdoor shower up. So I'm just encouraging you guys, you know, just don't think you're going to show up at your homestead and everything's going to be pop, pop, pop. Have patience, you know, be diligent. Think about your systems, think about where you're placing them. A lot of that stuff is so overlooked, but is so important. So when you see us doing these things, and maybe you're new to our channel, just remember there was 7 years to get to this point. And now we're here, and after this, we're gonna be able to enjoy everything a little bit more. So each year on your homestead, you'll get systems in place, and then every year it'll get even more enjoyable. The end game is to get everything done before you're too old to do anything, and then you'll be able to enjoy everything, and then all you have to do is pluck away at a little maintenance. So hopefully you guys liked the video. Don't forget you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Charlie Smith, Charles Smith was our winner of the Homestead Homie of the Month. He got the bowl from Layman's, and Sherry Holkamp, Two Family Homestead, shout out to her. She won the Ayers Pottery Pie Pan. They go to all of our events. They're coming to the Homesteading Life Conference in August. They're going to be at Homesteaders of America in October. They'll go to Layman's June 29th and 30th to see us. You know, they're just always involved with the community, not just us, but even with all the homestead communities. They're always leaving comments, always following the Facebook posts. So, and Charles Smith, he's been with our channel a long time, always leaving comments, always, you know, just being supportive and hanging out, you know what I mean? So that's who won. Now, if you guys are interested, we give away a pie plate that Ayers Pottery makes, and we also give away a bowl, a stainless steel bowl from Layman's. Those two companies or people or family businesses actually sponsor the contest, and we're gracious enough to give away one of those items each and every month. And the way you guys can get one is if you leave comments on our videos, you're showing up every day for our dailies, you're, you know, leaving comments, maybe you even do Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, or maybe you could just hit the share button and share it on your Gmail. Like you could just share that really quick with a Gmail friend, somebody that you communicate with on emails, and that's how we determine who wins the Homestead Homie of the Month. Don't forget, we're going to be at Layman's June 29th and 30th, which is right around the corner, guys. So if you want to go there, it's in Kidron, Ohio, and then our big event that we're really excited about, it's our first ever, Hannibal, Missouri, August 12th and 13th, the Homesteading Life Conference. All the links are down below. We already have the swag t-shirts out, so if you're coming to the conference, you can get your swag t-shirt. And if you're not, you can still get one just to support what we're doing and help us get going on the Learning Center. As always, I'm tired. And we will see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead Homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.